Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Have you ever wished you could add an extra burner to your kitchen during the holidays, or perhaps you need a reliable cooking solution for a dorm or small apartment? Today we are looking at the Duxtop 1800W portable induction cooktop. This is not just a hot plate. It is a sophisticated piece of kitchen tech that changes how you approach cooking. Let us start with the performance. This unit is an induction powerhouse. Because it uses electromagnetic energy to heat the cookware directly rather than heating the surface of the burner, it achieves an impressive 83% energy efficiency. This makes it significantly faster and more efficient than your traditional gas or electric stove. You get 15 different power levels ranging from 200 to 1800 watts and 15 temperature settings from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of granular control is what sets it apart. Whether you are searing a steak at high heat or gently simmering a delicate sauce, you have the precision to get it right every single time. The design is compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to store or move around. It runs on a standard 120-volt outlet, which means you can plug it in anywhere in your home. One of the best things about this package is that it comes with a high-quality 5.7-quart stainless steel pot. This is not some cheap throwaway pot either. It is made of food-grade 1810 stainless steel with a heavy impact bonded bottom. This ensures that the heat is distributed evenly across the surface, preventing those annoying hot spots that ruin a good stew or soup. The user interface features a built-in digital timer that goes up to 170 minutes. This is a game changer for stock making or slow cooking tasks. You can simply set it and forget it, knowing the unit will shut off once your time is up. Plus, the glass cooktop surface is a dream to maintain. Because the surface itself does not get nearly as hot as a ceramic cooktop, spills are much less likely to bake on. A quick wipe with a damp towel is usually all you need to keep it looking brand new. Now for the pros and cons. The biggest pro is definitely the speed and efficiency. Water boils in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. The inclusion of a durable, well-designed pot adds immense value right out of the box. However, you do need to keep in mind that induction requires compatible cookware. If your pans are not magnetic, they will not work with this unit. Also, like many induction cooktops, there is a cooling fan that runs during and after operation. It is not overly loud, but it is audible. In conclusion, if you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup or need a portable solution that does not sacrifice power for convenience, the Duxtop 1800W induction cooktop is a fantastic investment. It offers professional-grade control in a package that fits right on your countertop. It is efficient, easy to clean, and built to last. If you want to take your kitchen game to the next level, this is a piece of gear worth considering. Link in the description.